So exercises, evaluate each of the following. So limit of x cubed minus 64 all over x squared minus 16 as x approaches to 4. So let's solve this one. So for limit, so we'll distribute. So if we direct substitution 4 to x, so the denominator will get 0 because 4 squared minus 16 is just equals to 16 minus 16 is just equals to 0. So we will not, this is not the proper way to solve this type of equation. So it is in indeterminate form, so we'll try to expand. So we'll just copy sa, so limit of x approaches to 4, so x cubed minus 64 all over x squared minus 16. So in the numerator, it is in the form difference of two squares. So different, sorry, difference of two cubes. So in difference of two cubes, we will have this one, a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared all over, uh, in the denominator it is difference of two squares, so it must be in a factor form. So a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So we will convert this equation. So limit of x as x approaches to 4. So what is a here? So a just cube root of x just equals to x. So we'll copy x minus, so b is the cube root of 64 is just equals to 4. Right? So we'll copy x squared plus 4x plus 16. So all over. So x squared minus 16 is just equals to square root of x is just equals square root of x squared is just equals to x. Square root of 16 is just equals to 4. So x minus 4, x plus 4. So after this one, we will cancel x minus 4. So the remaining will have limit of as x approaches to 4. So we will have x squared plus 4x plus 16 all over x plus 4. So for this one, we'll now have a direct substitution to the value of x because it will not cancel in the denominator. It will make our denominator not equal to 0. So we'll have 4 squared plus 4 multiplied by 4 plus 16 all over 4 plus 4. So we will further simplify. So 4 squared is just equals to 16 plus 4 times 4 is just equals to 16 plus 16 all over 4 plus 4 is just equals to 8. So after this one, we will have 16 plus 16 plus 16 is just equals to 48. Right? 16 times 3 is just equals to 48. Divide 8 is just equals 48 divided 8 is just equals to 6. So this will be now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So the answer is 6. So our answer here is correct. Let's proceed to number 3. So let's proceed to number 3. So limit of x cubed minus 13x plus 12 all over x cubed minus 14x plus 15 as x approaches to 3. So we'll if we substitute 3 here in the denominator, we'll have 3 cubed is just equals to 27 minus, so 14 times 3 is just equals to 42 plus 15. So we'll have 27 minus 42 is just equals to negative 15. So negative 15 plus 15 is just equals to 0. So it is also in indeterminate form. So it is not applicable to direct substitute x value to the limit equation. So we'll have an algebraic manipulation. So we'll have a limit. So as x approaches to 3, so we'll have this one. So we'll factor x cube. So x cube minus 13x. So we'll factor out. So minus 9x minus 4x plus 12 all over. So x cube minus 9x minus 5x plus 15. So why do we factor out? So that by algebraic manipulation, both sides. So we'll have limit of as x approaches to 3. So we'll have x cube. So we'll just factor x cube and 9x, this term right here, we'll factor out. So we'll have x will multiply by x cube divided by x is equals to x squared minus 9. So we'll just factor out this term also, and this term also. So we'll have minus 4 multiply by negative 4x divided by negative 4 is just equals to x plus, x minus, x minus 3 all over. So we'll just factor this one. So x multiplied by x squared minus 9. So we'll have minus 5 multiplied by x. So 15 divided by negative 5 is just equals to negative 3. So after this one, we will cancel. So limit as x approaches to 3. So we'll cancel, we'll just further simplify. So x multiplied by, so difference of two squares. So x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 3. X plus 3 minus 4 multiplied by x minus 3 all over. So we'll have by the denominator also. So x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 3. So minus 5 multiplied by x minus 3. So we'll put x minus 3 outside. So limit of as x approaches to 3. So x minus 3. So we'll have an x multiplied by x plus 3. So minus 4. Right? So in the denominator, we'll have x minus 3. So we'll have x multiplied by x plus 3 minus 5. So after this one, we'll cancel x minus 3. So the remaining will be limit of as x approaches to 3. So if we try to substitute 3 to the denominator, so 3, so we'll have 3. So 3 plus 3 is just equals to 6. So 6 multiplied by 6. So it will not be able to equate to 0. So we'll just substitute directly the x now because it is not in the indeterminate form. So it will not make our denominator 0. So we'll have x multiplied by x plus 3 minus 4 all over x multiplied by x plus 3 minus 5. So we will have a direct substitution. So we'll have 3 multiplied by 3 plus 3 minus 4 all over. So 3 multiplied by 3 plus 3 minus 5. So after this one, we will have 3 multiplied by 6 minus 4 all over 3 multiplied by 6 minus 5. So simplification, so 3 multiplied by 6 is just equals to 18 minus 4 all over 18 minus 5. So the final answer will be 14. So 18 minus 5 is just equals to 13. So this will be now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So answer is 14 all over 13. So our answer here is correct.